Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Y6s, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we're then going to hold the power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of the keys at the same time till we see the Huawei logo on the screen. So right about now. And there we go. So we're now in the recovery mode. From here you can reboot the device, perform a hard reset of it, wipe cache, and boot into safe mode. And to access each one of these, you can just simply tap on it, and that would be it. So as an example, I'm gonna reboot the system so I can go back to the Android and leave the recovery mode. So all I need to do is just tap on it, and you can see that it automatically reboots. And as you can see, we're back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.